Hello, I'm Thomas Jefferson Wedge from William Porteous Properties International, and today I've got an exciting opportunity for you to look at a property in the bustling suburb that everybody loves, Fremantle, Western Australia. I'm here at the LIV Apartments, located at number 60 of 51 Queen Victoria Street, and it is just one of the most incredible suburbs, dear to my heart, dear to yours probably as well. And it's incredibly walkable. There's just everything nearby: cafes, shops, vintage shops, gyms, pools, all of these things right within walking distance, not to mention the port practically right across the street. So I'm excited to show you this development, and I'm excited to show you the interior of the apartment. So let's go have a look around. Now, one of the main features that I wanted to show you first right off the bat here is the proximity essentially to the Fremantle pool. You just come right up your courtyard and here you are. I mean, Fremantle is so walkable, but one of the beautiful aspects is directly across the street, just right there, is where Fremantle Leisure Center with their gorgeous outdoor pool. I've taken my kids there so many times. Fremantle's such a great place to live. I've lived here before, and it's honestly one of my favorite places in Perth. So we'll walk back up this way, give you a sense of this open, beautiful, very modern courtyard. And half a block away, just steps to the corner, is the Geisha, a coffee shop. In fact, I had a coffee there this morning with my wife, and it's a fantastic, very beautiful space, whether you go there to meet friends or clients or just spend some time by yourself. And we're coming right out here on Queen Victoria Street, as you'll see right over here. Across from the Heirloom Apartments, and then we'll walk this way and head into the LIV Apartments. So get a sense of where we're at. Here, right off of Queen Victoria Street, and we'll go in to the apartments. And you see here is where your mail pickup is. And then we'll get into the elevator and go up to the second floor. This apartment has a really beautiful east-facing aspect. Okay, now getting into the elevator, using the security to get up to the second level. One of the things I absolutely love about Fremantle is being able to walk just about anywhere. You're less than 5 minutes to the very center of the city, going up to floor 2. And we'll head into the apartment. Coming off the elevator and approaching the unit, number 60, we come in. It's a bit of an entry foyer, which is quite nice. So it doesn't open directly into the living space, which makes a bit of a difference. And you see here, we have the laundry room on the right, but what I want to first focus on is we see the kitchen. We'll come back and have a look at that. Swing around, you get a sense of the space. One bedroom with this kitchen and dining room and living room. I'll go back this direction so that we can have a look at the bathroom first as well. Here's your shower. No hob to go over. Huge amount of storage behind the mirror. Big mirror cabinet. Tile flooring, so you can see here and into the kitchen. And then you've got a plush carpet. Let's have a look at the kitchen area. Double sink, recess for your microwave. It's a unique material with recessed lighting as your backsplash. Lots of cabinetry and storage. Induction cooktop. electric oven, recess for the fridge. And you do have this here pull-out pantry, which is quite useful. And the laundry. There's your hot water system unit as well. Dryer. And that's all kept neat and tidy. Again, there's the recess for the entryway. My backpack. And here you'll have some cabinetry space. Let's have a look at here. Tracked down lighting, cafe lighting, fan. It is a zoned air conditioning as well for the living room and the bedroom. Let's swing around here to get a sense of the living space. There we go. And then we'll head into the bedroom. Gorgeous views out into the courtyard. I had taken you just down there before. We're east facing here. Let's get a sense of bedroom. And there is walk-in robe there as well. As you can see, the ducted AC up above. And there's also this door that gives you access out onto the patio. So here is that in which you can keep that open or closed while you sleep, get the fresh air. It's a pretty decent sized outdoor patio for a one bedroom. You've got a plug out there for electrics if you need. And let's have a look at the east facing aspect towards the Fremantle Arts Center. The pool is right over that building there. Again, there's the courtyard that we can come through. Then you do have these cool privacy lines if you want. So you can actually close those to give yourself a little more privacy or leave them open for some natural light. Hear that. And then they also do shift from side to side. So if you wanted to move to this side, you could do that. And then let's get one more look through. Bedroom. And there you have it, 60 of 51 Queen Victoria Street in the LIV Apartments in the gorgeous and bustling suburb of Fremantle, Western Australia. I could talk about this suburb forever. So if you have any questions about this particular property, or if you'd like to make an offer, call me. I'm Thomas Jefferson Wedge from William Porteous Properties International, and it would be a pleasure to serve you.